Hey everyone, it's Andrew again here at Toyota, and I just fixed this 2023 Tundra by replacing this Bank 2 upstream air fuel sensor. But I wanted to show a little bit of the amount of tools and the amount of money it cost me to diagnose and replace this under warranty to fix this truck, and talk briefly about how much I got paid to do it. So starting off with the truck, in order to diagnose the air fuel sensor, I had to scan it, scan codes, and do some active tests. To do that, I had to use this Mongoose DLC cable. The company supplies me with a laptop, but I have to use my own diagnostic cable. That cable is $539.95 from Amazon, and it is the only one that can be used with Toyota diagnostic software. After diagnosing it and getting the part in hand, I had to first rack the truck, get it up in the air, and get the left front wheel off. To do that, I used this Milwaukee 1-key half-inch drive M18 impact. That impact is $428 from Home Depot with that XC 5.0 battery that you see there on it. In order to get the lug nuts off, I use this SunX 21mm half-inch drive impact socket. That socket from Acme Tools is $6.99. After getting the wheel off, I had to take off a little panel to get access. To remove that panel, I use these Crescent brand precision needle nose pliers. Those pliers come in a 2-pack set from Home Depot, and they cost $17.97 for the 2-pack there. After getting that out of the way, I had to then remove a bracket to further gain access. To remove that bracket, I had to use this Milwaukee 3/8 stubby gun here with the XC 4.0 battery. That stubby gun is $239 with that battery and a charger from HomeDepot.com. I then had to use this gear inch 6-inch drive or 6-inch 3/8 drive extension. That extension costs $9.19 from Acme Tools. On the end of that extension, I had this snap-on 3/8 drive 14mm semi-deep impact wobble socket. That socket from snapon.com is $61.50. After I got that out of the way, I then had to use two O2 sensor sockets, one to break it loose and one to actually get it out. And they came out of this gear wrench set. I don't see prices online for those individually, but the whole set from Amazon.com is $49.99. This one runs on a 1/2 inch, so I had to use an adapter. This is a Matco 3/8 to 1/2 inch impact adapter. That adapter from Matco's own website is $25.95. Driving that, breaking it loose, is this snap-on Flexhead 3/8 inch drive ratchet. It's a dual 80 ratchet. They don't make this one anymore, but I found links to websites that used to stock it, and the closest I could get, or actually probably the lowest price that I found for a new one, was listed at, let me check my notes here, from KB Tools, and was $179. So I got it out, replaced it with the new one, put it back together, bolted everything up again using these tools, used my cable again and the laptop to go in, clear codes, do a road test, and confirm the repair on the truck, and we got it up and running. So all of these tools together total to $1,557.54. So $1,550 to actually get in and replace this air fuel sensor. And all together, under warranty, this pays me 0.8, so 0.8 of an hour, using $1,550 worth of tools to fix this practically brand new Tundra under warranty. So being a tech is not cheap. There are cheaper ways to get some of these tools and to do some of this job, but a lot of tools that I have here are pretty affordable. Gear wrench, Crescent, SunX, all of those make very affordable tools, and believe it or not, Milwaukee impacts are actually pretty affordable, especially when you buy them from Home Depot and not the truck. So it's a brief explanation of the tools required to do such a simple job and how much it actually costs in this line of work. So keep that in mind when you're getting your car worked on, or if you're considering getting into this industry. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.